Today I'm going to be making this rice, fried rice, cabbage fried rice. Healthy, cheap, nice and budget friendly, amazingly simple to make, vegetarian, tasty, and vegan. Let's get on with it. So there's absolutely nothing to this one, but it's really delicious. So I've got here some cooked rice, basmati rice I'm using here, and you may have heard me say this before if you're a regular to the show. Cold rice, hot rice, warm rice doesn't work out so well. So this was actually cooked yesterday, it's been in the fridge. It's gonna fry really nicely. White cabbage, about the same amount I suppose. You know, about the same amount, yeah. And then I've just sliced that up willy-nilly as you like. 1 onion sliced. I've got quite a lot of garlic there, a nice big lot of garlic in this one. So there's maybe 2 tablespoons of garlic. And then here a small amount of soy sauce. I'm using a light soy sauce. Let's get to the cooker. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, comment and all that stuff, will ya? Okay, so you're gonna need a wok or a pan or something like that. I've got it on high heat. I'm gonna drop in some oil. Now I'm using a sesame seed oil for a nice nutty flavour, but if you don't have that, don't worry. You can just use something, you know, like a sunflower, canola, whatever you like. Okay, I'm gonna heat that up. Maximum heat, get that hot. Like I say, this one is super easy. Let's drop in that lovely lot of garlic straight in there. And like I say, quite a lot of garlic for me on this one, followed by that onion. I'm also now going to add some black pepper, but I'm not going to add salt because we're using that soy and I think that's salty enough for me. You might want to add a bit of salt. High heat, 3 minutes, keep it moving. Now if you wanted, you could be adding some ginger into this as well with the garlic and the onions. Now, here we go. There's our cabbage. Again, stay on a high heat. Keep it moving. About 4 minutes. We're already halfway done. So still got a nice crunch on it, but it's starting to wilt as we cook and fry. We're now going to add that soy. Like I said, I'm using a light soy. Use dark if you want. And that's why I'm not adding any salt. The soy is going to be enough for me. We're now going to grab our lovely cold rice and get that in there. And we're going to fry for 5 minutes. Stay on this high heat, keep it moving. We've done it. So I'm hoping that you can hear that. That is actually your rice frying. You need to fry it. If we get a little bit of browning or blackening even on the rice, I'm super happy. Wonderful. Off goes the heat. This is done. Let me get this onto a plate. Very easy, very delicious. And there you go. Well done for doing that. It really is tasty, that one. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just finish this with some green onions chopped. Now if you wanted, you could be adding some more spice in there, like some chilli or something like that. Or a nice piece of coriander in there, chopped coriander. One more thing, just a few little sesame seeds. And you've got yourself a really delicious, simple, vegan, vegetarian, healthy, budget-friendly fried rice there. Hope you enjoyed that. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well, thanks for getting to the end of the video. Now, look, I just want to tell you about this other channel that I've got. It's called Simon Bellyful. It's me basically going out different places in the world where I get the opportunity to go to. I'm eating, seeing people, meeting people, seeing what's happening around there. So if you're into that sort of thing, have a little look at it. See you later. Lentils, horseradish, roast vegetables. Fantastic. Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. Let's go. Okay, let's get started on this. So in the center, I've got my green lentils. What I've done with those lentils, I give them a nice wash a couple of times in some cold water. I soaked them for, a couple of hours, and then I cooked them. They're nice and soft now. Cucumber, tomato, bell peppers, and onion, sliced onion. I'm using the red onion. It's a bit stronger than maybe a white, or maybe if you want, you could use green or spring onions, whatever you call them. And then here we've got horseradish sauce. Now, if you want to be completely vegan, be careful when you buy horseradish, because sometimes it's not vegan, it's got some milk products in it. This one is actually pure vegan. Simply, we're going to give this a mix together. Okay, so mixing bowl's ready. Let's just get those little amounts of bell peppers in there, nice bit of color, the tomato, and you can be really playing around with the amounts of this. There goes the cucumber, there goes the onion, and then here we go with the horseradish, which is going to give it a real nice tang. I just want to go a little bit of black pepper. I'm not going to add any salt to this. I think it's going to be okay without the salt. We're going to mix this up. We can move on. So with the grilled eggplant and peppers, a little bit of salt and pepper on there, some olive oil. Off you go, a few minutes, bang, 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 nice. They've still got a nice crunch on them. I've got those on a bed of lettuce, and quite frankly, that looks beautiful already, but let's grab our lovely salad and place some in the center. A layer of lettuce, the grilled vegetables, and our salad just there in the center. A few olives, and that's it. Beautiful. Very easy, very tasty. Hope you enjoy that. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.